But Iran's foreign minister strikes an upbeat tone for Iran's relations with India. At the BRICS summit, Arakchi adds that the strait is not closed for friendly countries. Listen into a slice of that conversation.
First of all, I have to appreciate the Indian government for very warm hospitality extended to me and my delegation and to all delegations, and also for the very good and excellent arrangements for this ministerial meeting of BRICS and for the success of this meeting. I think it was one of the best, ministerial foreign ministers meeting of BRICS. We had several meetings and we discussed about different important topics which are related to BRICS purposes and principles. And I had the opportunity to express the position of my country, Islamic Republic of Iran, especially after this war of aggression which was imposed on us by the United States and Israel. And we very much appreciate the BRICS position in condemnation of that aggression, which is against the basic principles of international law and the United Nations Charter.
So we saw how the conflict in West Asia dominated the discussions at the BRICS meeting. What is the road ahead, if you can give us a sense of that?
Well, the road ahead for BRICS is to continue working on its principles and the road that we have started to go together. And for the West Asia, I think the best way is to go for diplomacy. There is no military solution. And I think the United States should understand the point. They have tested us at least twice, and they have come to the point that there is no military solution. They cannot achieve any of their goals through diplomacy, through military. But if they try diplomacy, that is something else. We have already started engaging, but there are lots of problems in the way. The most important problem is the contradictory messages we receive from Americans through their comments and interviews and whatever.
And so just one final question. The disruptions in the Strait of Hormuz is creating a lot of pressure in global supply chains, energy supply chains, including for friendly countries like India. How do you respond to that?
But this is not our fault. We didn't start this war. We are only defending ourselves. And I think we have every right for self-defense. Strait of Hormuz, as far as we are concerned, is not closed, especially for friendly countries. It's only closed for our enemies. But friendly countries, vessels belongs to all other countries, are only asked to coordinate their passage with our military in order to avoid any obstacle in the way, or to ensure a safe passage. And this is what we are doing. In the past several days, many vessels have gone through that strait with the help of our naval forces, and that will continue. The only way is to end this war of aggression altogether, and then we will make sure that safe passage would be guaranteed for each and every vessel.